Hello everyone, myself Ansari Safia, Assistant Professor in Physics, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Now this presentation is for class FY BSc Physics paper first, section first. Now the title is non-conservative force. Now we know conservative force. A force is called conservative if the work done by the force on a particle that moves from one point to another point depends only on position of this point and not on the path followed by the particle. Now conservative force can also be defined as if the total work done during any round trip journey or closed path is equal to 0, the force is called conservative force. Now the gravitational force and Coulomb's electrostatic force are the examples of conservative forces. Now today we have to study non-conservative force. A force is called non-conservative if work done by the force on a particle that moves between 2 points depends on path followed by particle between these 2 points. Now non-conservative force can also be defined as if the work done by a force in moving a body over a closed path or during any round trip journey is non-zero, then the force is said to be non-conservative force. For example, frictional force is a non-conservative force. Now we have to show that frictional force is non-conservative force. Now suppose that a wooden block of mass m resting on rough horizontal surface shown in figure. Here the initial position of the block is at A. Now let the block be dragged horizontally towards right to position B through a distance S, then back to its initial position A. Now during the motion of a block, frictional force always act opposite to the direction of motion of the block. That means when the block moves towards right, that is from A to B, then the frictional force is directed towards the left. And if the block moves towards the left, then the frictional force is directed towards the left. Now the normal force between the surface and the block is N is equal to mg. If mu is a coefficient of friction between the block and the table, then the force of friction is mu mg. Now during the displacement S of the block, work done by force of friction is minus mu mgs. Now when the block moves towards the right, that is from A to B, then the force of friction is directed towards the left, and the work done by force of friction during the displacement S is W1 is equal to minus mu mgs. Now when the block moves towards left from B to A, then the force of friction is directed towards the right, and the work done by force of friction during the displacement S is W2 is equal to minus mu mgs. Now the total work done by force of friction when the block moves from A to B and then back from B to A, then total work done W is equal to W1 plus W2 is equal to minus mu mgs equal to minus 2 mu mgs, which is not equal to 0. Thus the work done by the force of friction in a round trip journey is not equal to 0. So the frictional force is non-conservative force. Okay, thank you.